The entire morning we discussed with traders that the only good thing that will happen this morning is market sell-off. So when the scanner is giving you more than one alert, it's extremely good news. An intelligent trader knows that. I'm converting software to 1 minute chart, as again, when you're shorting the markets, price moves extremely fast. What else does the intelligent trader understand? Institutions remain long. This is only retail profit taking. There is nothing else. I converted software to 1 minute chart, trade play out on multiple other charts. Counter trend trade, this is key level. Institutions remain long. This is retail profit taking only. Nothing else is possible, only this. Intelligent trader understands institutional crush is a gift. Retail chop is brutal. Precision is key. Simplicity of the software show you the bold red zone, your only option to monitor for short. Counter trend short, testing critical key level. This identifies counter trend weakness. Institutions remain long. This is extremely important level for retail trader. Precision in such choppy retail market conditions is key to your success. So if you understand the importance of these levels I developed in 2008, traded by JP Morgan traders, traded by traders all over the world, you understand precise entry, precise stop, precise target with the power of Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8 to day trade futures simplifies your trading greatly with a single glimpse. You witnessed congruency, you witnessed entirely different market than what played out the previous 30 minutes. Sniper's mentality with such precision is essential to your day trading success. Trader who trades double and single lot size, getting out of the trade. Trader who trades multiple lot sizes, adjusts the trail right outside decision point 2. Again, I converted charts to 1 minute charts, shorts played out on multiple other charts. You decide what chart you want to trade, you decide what's appropriate for you, your risk management, your psychological comfort. Typical trader overcomplicates trading. This is number one problem. Typical trader chases indicators instead of focusing on pure price. No indicator on this planet is predictive. Alpha Fibonacci system is. Well before market open, intelligent trader knew there is only one option to monitor for short. Absolutely no software on this chart, all in advance. This is critical key level to the downside, where intelligent trader knew very well yesterday morning to monitor for long. So if I bring to your attention markets to Sunday before crash from historical high, in case you missed the events yesterday morning in the trading room, we monitored and discussed this key level to the downside. So when I continue further to the day before, in case you missed the events in the trading room, this was a market yesterday morning. This is where software shown you. Look to buy, not to short the market. That pure and that simple. And how price collapsed from reversal zone in Asian session is a stunning reminder. Institutions buy, you buy. And if you decide to short, you understand it's retail short only. So this is extremely important level this morning, traders. Yesterday, institutions defended this level with vengeance. Bold green zone, bold retail, buy point. Price is bouncing already, as you see. Chart 1 minute is extremely important. Absolutely no speculation, ultimate precision. And the place where market was bought with vengeance yesterday morning. So if institutions remain long, market will be bought at this level. As again, retail trader looking to exit at this level, intelligent strategic short. If you trade multiple lot sizes, you are adjusting your stop very, very close. That's it, and that's how you trade with ultimate precision. And if day trading not for you, you use system long term. Here's the reminder of extremely important chart on NVIDIA. As NVIDIA skyrocketed from institutional buy point, you're looking at the charts once a week. You understand extremely well. When you trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. NVIDIA no longer at buy point. NVIDIA reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. All the details in live classes and Alpha Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. This you can trade on all charts. You can trade oil tomorrow morning, institutional buy point. You can trade euro. Our students left Saudi Arabia, bought home in South France because of the power of the system and knowing quite well where our ultimate low on euro was. That's it. 104 lifeline on euro. 116 is a brick wall. By the bottom. Same level on NVIDIA, on euro, on oil, as right now in front of you playing out on S&P to the tick. The only difference is the software for NinjaTrader 8. That's the only difference. Which is a phenomenal tool to day trade futures. So if you are on NinjaTrader 8 and you understand the power of congruency you witnessed this morning, with the Alpha Fibonacci scanner and trade recognition software, that's your excuse to short the market when congruency is present. That's it. Obey the rules and the skies are the limit. With Alpha Fibonacci system for all platforms, all instruments, or software for NinjaTrader 8. What defines junky buyers? Junky buyers because price is not skyrocketing through this level. Again, short reached critical key retail buy point. We are not seeing powerful buyers, intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. Rules are met, take a trade. So again, reminder, it's identical level where S&P skyrocketed from yesterday morning. So this is where profit taking ends. It confirms only retail profit taking, nothing else. If institutions buying the market, you're extremely well prepared far in advance, knowing quite well. This is exit on your short and retail buy point. Rules are met, take long. Rules are not met, do not touch the markets. Key moment. It's an absolute gift when William, who's been with Fibonacci Trading Institute for years, taking bootcamp number 9 or 10, knowing quite well priceless value of the bootcamp, of the opportunity to master trading skills every single moment in a bootcamp. I'm not making any promises I will ever teach bootcamp again. There had not been a bootcamp in a couple of years. That's it. I'm doing this bootcamp because students requested one. Graduates of the course, stock trader, gold trader, futures trader will be speaking in bootcamp. So if you're witnessing the power of the system to the tick play out in front of you, you understand that Alpha Fibonacci system is intelligent, strategic, precise, proprietary game. You trade markets as Alpha Fibonacci chess. You do not speculate. You do not gamble with your money. You do not take random trades. You know where to enter. You know where to exit. RZ means reversal zone. And if you cannot pass psychological test and cannot day trade because you cannot execute as a sniper, use system long term. Look at the charts once a week, once a month, once a year. You decide what's appropriate for you to trade. Is it Nvidia? Is it oil? Is it Apple? Or is it gold? Or is it euro? Or is it Nasdaq? All absolutely up to you. It's your personal choice. Identical rules apply for entry, stop, and target. Only difference, risk management and trade whole time. In the trading room, you're witnessing precision to the tick. In the trading room, you can ask questions. In the trading room, you're witnessing alpha Fibonacci software in the live markets on S&P mini future. And that's this morning's event. So if you're joining us now, it's the best time in years to join Fibonacci Trading Institute for bootcamp number, I think 9 or 10. As William says, this is such a gift when student joining for a bootcamp number 9 or 10. As William says, to miss a bootcamp is nothing more than oops. One just did not know that life could become so much awesome with Allah's instructions. Means the world. Words of the student who know my work extremely well. So if you're joining us in a bootcamp, only 8 spaces left for new students. Bootcamp value $27.77 included in all packages for new students only, March 14th through 22nd. So you decide how you want to trade the system, at what instruments, what time frames, what platforms, as it applies to all platforms, or with a lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 with multi-market scanner, group or private mentoring classes. So when you view students' performance, you remember, in a bootcamp, Georgie will be speaking with you, sharing how he trades stocks in the middle of one of the most dangerous places on the planet. Georgie also shares when time allows him to trade. As a day trader, he does, but he understands emotional stability is key to day trading success. And trade stocks. Richer detailed trading system on options. My dearest friends for life, I live and breathe what I do. As Ken says, you develop the holy grail of trading. As I keep developing new systems time and time again. That's it. And if you want to trade Forex, of course you can. As traders do all over the world on multiple time frames. And absolutely, students bringing their wives to the course. Jennifer, Emmanuel wife, trading Nasdaq, the most volatile future. All I ask you to make an effort. Value of the bootcamp is priceless, as shared by traders all over the world. Simply choose a package appropriate for you. Private mentoring savings 10,000 plus. Group course savings 7,000 plus. If you are not on NinjaTrader, choose option 1 and 3. That's it. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. And again and again and again, obey the rules and the sky's the limit. With the power of the Alpha Fibonacci system and software, you know where to enter, where to exit your trade. And you also master retail chop, retail dangerous markets only. Market not selling off. You will have much more of this. How you trading this will define your success forever. That's it. With the Alpha Fibonacci system, you adapt to various market conditions. You understand the weakness, you understand the strengths. If you're making an effort, buying right now will confirm institutions holding longs. But again and again and again you knew this is not the place to short with a single glimpse. It's bold, green, retail buy point. Only one problem is present. Buyers are weak. Intelligent trader not pulling a trigger. Intelligent trader plays by Alpha Fibonacci rules, knowing where to enter, knowing where to exit the trade. Price stuck in chop, price stuck in weakness. Do not trade. Congruency is present, enjoy. And remember, when the bold red line is so close, it's a very aggressive trade. It's that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. You will never need another system or software ever again. Again, do not hesitate to call or email me. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed. I look forward to seeing you in a bootcamp.